Tell me what you think of this one.
Hey guys, it's Buggy Buns here, and today I am videotaping my siblings who are going to be jumping in a pile of leaves.
Hiya!
That's Henry, Hope, and Gavin over there playing with his trucks. He loves his trucks.
Smell this way.
My mom is telling me to smell deodorant.
It's clean.
That smells good. Okay, Henry, anytime. You can jump in now.
Jump in.
Is that nice and soft? Yeah, Bessie just spent a while waking those up. Are you happy? Uh-huh. That's what I use. Hey guys, Gavin, 3, 2, 1. Gavin, stay there, stay there. Gavin, lay down in the leaves. Lay down in the leaves. Oh, that's just cute. Oh, I need to get a picture of that. That's just adorable. You look like a little baby in the womb, Henry. Hope you're crashing into people. Henry, can you say hi?
Hi.
You're cute.
You're so cute.
Buggy Buns signing off.
Wow!